tapusin mo na yung question. Finish the question first. Okay? If you don't, you are disqualified. Okay? Very strict. Okay. In which town was Jesus was born?
Bethlehem. Again.
Who's next?
She's the first one.
I heard that. First. You did first.
Nauna kami. Cora first.
Okay. Team A, 1 point. Okay, go. Okay, the team leader can go to the side. Okay, the next person, if both of you can't answer it,
She cannot see ask but
I can
the team leader can tap and steal the answer. You can answer. Okay. Okay. First. Whoever can tap, she has a chance. If the answer is wrong, so this one has a chance. If still wrong, this two team leader can steal it. Okay.
they're both wrong.
So, next question.
The same.
Okay, dito
We
ka.
can talk to the same question. After the first.
Okay, B and I too, okay? Okay, number 2. Who was the mother of Jesus? Who is the first one? Okay.
Sabay lang eh. Darn.
Number 3.
You lose.
Okay. Hand on your chest. Hand. Yeah. Okay, number 3. Who are the parents of Mary? Mary. Parents of Mary. Yeah. Who are the parents of Mary? The grandparents of Jesus. What? Oh, okay. I can answer the question. That is Saint Anne and Saint Joachim. Actually, I don't think so if they are in the Bible. I don't know. Yeah, but when I went to Holy Land, they were there. Yeah, but you can Google it. You can Google it. Okay, next.
Behind my pay grade. Si Ben. No, hindi pa tayo.
Ben and who?
Louis.
Okay, Cora, you should be here para kung ano makatap ka din, okay? Okay, put your hand. Okay. Who baptized Jesus? Who baptized Jesus? Very good.
John the Baptist.
Yeah.
You guys are B, right?
Okay, next. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, next. Okay, wow. What country has the longest Christmas season?
Philippines.
Okay, next. Okay, don't answer yet if you are not the first one who topped the table. Okay? Next. Okay, which country started the tradition putting up a Christmas tree? So, no coaching, no coaching. Oh, you top both the same. So, okay. Go first. Jack and Boy, Jack and Boy. Oh. Okay, okay.
Magkakabit mo na pa. Bato, pink.
Okay, bato. Sige na. Bato.
Pink.
Okay.
Mexico.
No.
Nagano pa ako. Nagpahipa pa ako.
Which country started the tradition of putting up a Christmas tree?
Philippines.
No.
Jerusalem. Chile. Rome.
No.
USA.
No. It's Germany. No score. Okay, reminders, no coaching. Okay? Okay. Next. Okay, next. No, just move. Everybody who was done, move at the back. Okay? No coaching. Okay. Hand on your chest. What are the gifts did the Magi bring to baby Jesus? Who's first? Okay. What are they? There are three.
The myth, no, wait. I can't remember. The myth, the incense, and the perfume.
No. No. Chance. No coaching. No coaching. Oh, yeah, that is right. Gold. Okay, there are gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Okay, next.
Time limit?
That's a short one. Okay. What word follows silent night in the song?
Holy night.
You did not put your hand here. Yeah. Holy night. Okay. So, sabi. Okay, next. Put your hand on your chest.
Banatang makabayan.
Okay. Which popular beverage is also called the milk punch? Which popular beverage is also called milk punch? No coaching. Who's first? May nag-coach.
No, I didn't hear that.
Okay, don't go. No coaching. You said egg. Okay, and I gave you another question. I have a spare one. Okay. Put your hand on your chest. No coaching. Top the table. Okay. Okay. What is the name of Jesus' earthly father? Foster father of Jesus. Tap the table first. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Next. Okay. No coaching. Hand on your chest. Okay. To which city did Mary and Joseph flee to escape Herod's decree? Saan sila pumunta?
Jerusalem?
No.
Nazareth.
No. No coaching! My God! Okay.
You know the answer. Don't say it.
Yeah. The answer is, okay, they flee in Egypt. Okay? Kasi di ba, they want to kill the kids. Okay?
And then they move.
No, they flee. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay. Hand on your chest. Okay. Okay, this is very easy. Okay. Who is the father of Christmas or Kris Kringle Who brings gifts to children on Christmas Eve? Santa Claus.
Halaan ko lang yan, pero ipadaog ko lang siya noon.
Okay, next. Next. Almost done. Okay. Okay, hand on your chest. Okay. And what does the term Emmanuel means?
God is with us.
Perfect. Okay, next.
Sino pa?
Yan, okay.
That's okay. Go ahead.
Who is Santa Claus?
Saint Nicholas.
Perfect. 14 ba kayo? 14? Lita! Reggie!
I can eat that one, Jeff. Wala na ano, answer. Where's my chat GPT?
Okay.
No, chat GPT, please.
Put your hand on your chest.
There.
Okay. Who are the three wise men?
The name? I need help.
Okay, chance. The name. 3 of them. You lost your chance already.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Baltasar, Melchior, Gaspar.
Okay, perfect. So, who are the winners? Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Grab your prize. There is prizes reveal. Come to the front and I want you to open the prize in the front. Okay. This is the Pangkabuhayan package. You can start your small business. Okay. Sino pa? Yeah, you have to reveal your prize.